Hello and welcome back. A YouTuber shared a link to her live stream, and when I was ready to watch the replay, I discovered that the live stream was no longer there. So when I reached out to the YouTuber to ask what happened to her live stream, she told me she deleted the live stream just because she had technical issues when she started the live stream and at some different points during the live stream. So she felt that the quality of the live stream doesn't represent her standards. So she decided to delete it from her channel. So, but I asked her that, does she know that she can, remove those parts that were not too good in the live stream? She said she's not aware about that. So in this video, I know some of us that are new on YouTube would probably love to go live on your channel, but due to some technical challenges like maybe internet disruption or some sudden disruption during the live stream, so sometimes we are scared to go live because of what could eventually happen during the live stream. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit or cut off those not too good area in your live stream, that the not too good section, how you can edit them out of your videos so that people that will eventually want to watch the live stream or the replay of the live stream will not have to watch all those not too good section of the live stream. So this video was inspired by one of our community members. Her name is Majoy. So she is a sales specialist and also a YouTuber based in Singapore. So she dropped a comment in one of my videos and she shared how she manages her live stream, and I promise that I'm going to make a dedicated video about this issue, because a good number of us probably might not know that we can edit our live streams, even our videos, on our YouTube studio, not with a different app, but right inside your YouTube studio. So for you to edit your video or edit your live stream, open a browser on your phone or on your computer, then log into your YouTube studio. So when you log into your YouTube studio, you go to content, then go to the live tab. So you can now select the video or the live stream you want to edit, then click on the live stream, then you go to editor. So right here in the editor page, you will see the video editor page. You see a lot of things here, but what we are trying to focus on is how to cut off the bad sections of our live stream. Like most times, we normally have this issue with the beginning part of our live stream. Like some of us, we love to wait for some minutes for our audience to join us before we go straight to the topic of the live stream. So you could also consider people that will watch the replay of the live stream. Some people might click on your live stream to watch the replay, and if they discover that the first few minutes is not relevant or is not really what they want to watch, they might eventually click out of the replay of your live stream, while you have a lot of information loaded for them in the live stream. So just because of those first few minutes, they might eventually click off your live stream. Now, if you are the type that waits for the first few minutes before you go into the topic of the day, then all you need to do is just go to trim. So this is the timeline of this live stream. This is the beginning, now down to the end. You can now go and check where you started the main topic or where you started the live stream proper. So you can just go there and you can drag this cursor, drag it to where you eventually want or where the live stream topic started properly. So you can also play the video to also listen to know if you are on the right section. So if this is the right section, let's assume that this before part, these are the sections that I was waiting for my audience to join me before I start the real topic of the live stream. So all you need to do is just select this and then you click save. So with this, those first few minutes that you are waiting for your audience to join you will be cut off. So anyone watching the replay of the live stream will not watch that section where you were waiting for your audience to join. So that's a good way to also make your live stream engaging and also gain more watch time hours. So that is for cutting, a particular just a section of your live stream. And also, if the same happens maybe towards the end of your live stream, you can also drag the ending part and adjust it accordingly and click save. Coming to the second way of trimming or editing your live stream videos, like if the area you want to cut off is not just one particular section of your live stream, probably you have multiple sections, like maybe you have some internet disruption or audio challenge or whatever. So what you need to do when you go back to the editor page, you click on trim and cut. So this time around, you don't need to drag these blue buttons. You need to click on new cut. So with this new cut, you take your cursor to where you want to cut. Let me say I want to cut this section, so I have to drag this stuff down to this place, just something like this. So you need to be articulate with what you want to cut, and if you're not too sure of where you are cutting, you can also click to listen to the preview of what you are cutting. And if the screen is too small for you, you can use this tool to zoom in so that you can actually know where the section you are trying to cut off. So for example, if I want to cut this section off, I'll just click, after getting it right, I'll just click the OK button, and you see that I have one cut. So if I want to cut another section, all I need to do is just to take my mouse or the cursor to where I want it to be and add another cut. So you can see that another cut is here. So I can zoom out again and then make some adjustments. So this, you can apply this to multiple parts of your live stream, the areas that you want to trim out of your live stream. And when you make the necessary adjustment, then you click the OK. So you can see now on this live stream, I have like 3 places that I've trimmed out. Let's assume that there were some technical glitch or glitches within those sections of the live stream. So when this is done, at the end of everything, I can now click save. So when you click save, YouTube will immediately initiate the changes you have made. Know that these changes will not take effect immediately. It will take some minutes before it will, be applied on the live stream. Also, I have to point out here that when you go live, for you to edit your live stream, you need to wait for like almost 13 hours. After 13 hours, your live stream will be available for editing. So you need to have this in mind. So let me know your thought about this. Is it worth it editing your live stream, or you just prefer to leave it plain like that? If you have not tried going live on your channel, what is the reason why you're not going live on your channel? So let me know all that in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be part of this community, all you need to do is just to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. So I'll be talking more about live streaming and some other things you need to know about live streaming. Especially, this will be useful, especially for those who are trying to get their channel monetized with the 4,000 or 3,000 watch time hours. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.